What does a life of freedom look like to you? Is it wandering, going wherever the wind takes you? Or is it something you build on your own terms with intention? I just feel like for the longest time, I've lived a pretty spontaneous life. Following whatever happened to show up in front of me. Whether it was a job, a season. But now I'm realizing, if I really want to keep walking my own path, at some point, I just have to shape it. For a long time, I thought freedom meant keeping everything open, being able to move, change direction, follow whatever showed up next. But I'm realizing freedom has less to do with where you are and more to do with how you're choosing to live. It's having enough ownership over your life to make choices that actually fit you. For me, that still looks like movement. A van, changing environments. But now I'm trying to use that freedom more intentionally to build a life that supports where I'm going. I'm on my own path again. I feel the ground beneath me. I'm appreciating the moments around me. The way I live, it gives me space. The space to move, to choose, build something that actually feels like it's mine. But freedom by design, it still takes work. Those deadlines don't disappear. I find myself out of clothes and still have to go do my least favorite chore. Life has to be maintained. I'm learning that none of that is separate from the life I'm building. That is the life. It's the work, it's the focus, the responsibility, even in beautiful places. That's the structure underneath the independence. The more I commit to that structure, the more I can understand what I've been craving. Stability. Being in a place where you can land, where you can reset, where you can hear yourself much clearer. Not the kind of structure that boxes you in, not the kind that keeps you hidden, keeps you from your potential, but one that supports where you're trying to go. I've created a place to land, a place to reset, but that hasn't taken away the desire to roam. I want to keep exploring, connecting with nature, to keep seeing what's out there. Now, after so much time moving, exploring, traveling, I feel like there's more places to experience. There's people I want to cross paths with. I think it's something bigger than staying in one place. So I began designing. Not with the whole thing figured out, but just a general direction. West. I'm ready to keep moving. But this time, even with some roots beneath me, I'm moving with a mindset that isn't so aimless.